Meaning of frogging.
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 Frogging. The term frogging refers to the act of unraveling or ripping out knitting stitches. This is done in order to fix mistakes or unwanted sections of the knitted item. It is called frogging because the sound made when pulling out stitches resembles the sound of a frog croaking. Frogging can be frustrating, but it is often necessary to achieve the desired end product. While it may seem counterproductive to undo hours of work, the result is usually a better quality finished piece that the knitter is happier with.